Hi guys, good morning. This is Dr. Freddie again of Freddie's Farm. So for today, I would like to share with you two of my concoctions which I use as fertilizer for our plants, especially our dragon fruit. Okay. The first one is this fermented fruit juice. Okay. So this fermented fruit juice uh, can be used as a foliar fertilizer, especially at the time when our dragon fruit are already flowering and fruiting. Okay, so if you want to have higher yield in terms of your dragon fruit, as you have seen in my previous post, okay, where our dragon fruit has generated or has given us a lot of fruits and big fruits indeed. So this is one of the concoctions that you can do. Okay, so I call it a fermented fruit juice. So the ingredients are very readily available. So for every 1 kg of fruit, use 1 kg of molasses. All right. So in this particular case, I use banana, ripe banana. So banana is very rich in terms of potassium. So that now during flowering and fruiting, you can spray this one to your plants so that now it will give you a lot of flowers and fruits and bigger and sweeter fruits. Okay, and of course you have to add a little of maybe 10 ml of just to introduce the good bacteria. Okay, so this concoction you can spray to your plants before flowering, and then also before harvest you spray also your plants, your fruits, to make them sweeter and bigger, and they will last longer in the shelf. Right, so this is the first concoction. Now for the dosage, you use 10 ml for every 1 liter of water. Another concoction is what I call as the fish amino acid. Okay, fish amino acid. So I use now fish waste like intestines, gills, head, bones, scales, everything. The one that you are throwing away. Okay, so the same ratio for every 1 kg of fish waste, you can add 1 kg of molasses. The ratio is always 1:1. Be sure to wash first the fish waste. Okay, after that you mix the two ingredients, including 10 ml of okay, just to introduce the good bacteria, and you will get, after 1 month of 3 to 4 weeks, okay, you'll get sweet sour smell. The same is true with your fermented fruit juice. So they call this one as fish amino acid. All right, so it can be used, by the way, both concoction can be used for plants and animals at the same time, because for animals they can be used as multivitamins. Okay, so the fish amino acid is very rich in terms of lysine and methionine, the two types of amino acids that are required by animals to develop their muscles, okay, and to have lean meat. Okay, so you can use fish amino acid. For plants, the fish amino acid can be a very good source of nitrogen. I'm going to show you later some of my plants that have been fertilized with fish amino acid. All right, so yeah, you can ferment this for 3 to 4 weeks and they're ready to be used. So They can be the fish amino acid, as I've mentioned, is very good rich, a very good source of nitrogen and other minerals, and the fermented fruit juice, very good source of potassium. All right, so let me show you some of my plants that I have fertilized with fish amino acid. Okay, as you remember, we pruned this plant about 2 weeks ago, and we are seeing some new shoots already. Okay, and this one. So this is a very good immediate effect of fertilizing this with fish amino acid. Okay, another example of plant that was fertilized using fish amino acid. So this plant was pruned completely as well. Now it has produced many new shoots, new branches. Okay, that's why fish amino acid is a very effective fertilizer, very rich in terms of nitrogen. Okay, same plant, they are very healthy, and this plant has produced new branches. And let me show you. This will be the last batch of our fruits for dragon fruit. Now this one came out on the 27th of March. Okay, so normally for Moroccan red, they appear, the bud, okay, the flower bud will appear. This one appeared on the 27th of March, and it has bloomed on the 27th of April. And these two fruits are expected to mature on the 27th of May also. Okay, so today is already the 26th of May. All right, so therefore it should mature very soon. It will ripen very soon. So this is the best time to spray the fermented fruit juice. Okay, it will be sweeter, and they will be bigger, and at the same time they will last longer in the shelf. Okay, so, and the fermented fruit juice, okay, you can also spray to your other fruit, bearing plants like tomatoes, okay, and mango, avocado, and so on and so forth, right? So yeah, so those are the applications of the two concoctions that I have showed you today.